Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a 4-part origami flower. This tutorial is divided into 5 videos, one for each part of the flower, plus one to show you how to put the whole thing together. Are you ready? Let's begin. So the first part is the base. For this I chose brown, but you can choose any color you so choose. Wow, that's actually redundant. Oh well. So first, we're going to want to fold the corners, the diagonals I should say, like so. For this, it's not actually important how they're folded. If I remember correctly, it only matters that they are folded. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge, line it up with the fold we just made, and crease it like so. This we're going to double fold. Ooh, nice. It's raining outside if you couldn't tell. We're going to repeat the last step for all 4 edges, folding them in towards the diagonal lines and then double creasing. And we're going to do it in this clockwise fashion. So you take for clockwise, you take the edge and you put it over to the diagonal on the right side. Alright, and here comes the last one. One thing I should point out, make sure, one thing to help fold these is to make sure these two are aligned. You'll see why that's important soon. And these two will also be aligned. It's actually the same line. I say these two, but these two segments of the same crease. Alright. Next, we're going to fold this back over, then fold this over. See how it was important that these line up. Now here comes a tricky part. What you'll want to do is you'll want to indent this like so. And then fold it like that. Now for the next step, you want to lift one of these flaps up a little. And then going to fold it diagonally like so. But you're not going to crease it quite yet. That's mostly just a placeholder. Because now we're going to take this point and this point and make a crease between them. And we're going to repeat this. And then repeat. And now you can adjust this crease. It's not always perfect, but it's usually doing that will get you close enough. What you'll want to do next is you'll want to take this line and imagine it goes all the way across and crease it down. You'll also notice that it goes towards the intersection between these two lines. At least in theory. Practice, it doesn't always work out that way, but when it does, it's quite helpful to visualize it like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to repeat it for all 4 sides, like so. Another thing you might notice is that, in theory, it should end up overlapping this, but it doesn't always. And when it doesn't, you can just adjust it a little. You're going to do this in a clockwise fashion. Then, for this last one, going to crease it. Then you're going to put it underneath this one, like so. So that you have 4-way symmetry. Now the last step is pushing these in like so. So that they get lifted up. There isn't an exact spot in which to do this, but it generally goes about the same way for all 4 of them. Alright, and that's the base.